Hello adventurer! I was gonna do a city cycling tour, but I realized how difficult it would be to film with my hands full of the handlebars. Which is why I want to share with you my new toy that will be the perfect companion for such an occasion. Ta-da! What? Just a pair of shades? No, no, no! This little guy has more packed in it. Let me show you its features. Introducing BleeqUp Ranger, an AI-powered shades with an onboard camera. Honestly, I was a little sus when they say it's AI because nowadays, everyone just say their product is AI for the sake of it. But BleeqUp's AI feature is actually pretty sick. I will show you along the way later. My biggest concern when I first got this is if it's comfortable to wear. How do I look? This right here is the black version that comes with orange and red lens. It also comes in pink, purple and white. My first impression is it's pretty snug. It sits well on my face even when I shake vigorously. Still on. Oh, I'm dizzy now. One point to note, the lens isn't very tinted, so may not be suitable for a very bright environment. But what stood out the most is the adjustable nose pads. These nose pads are so adjustable, it will probably fit all nose shape and sizes. Unless if you're Lord Voldemort. Now, if you look closely, this does look pretty bulky from all the extra electronics and the control mechanisms. This is why it looks like side by side to a conventional shades. Look at that, it's an obvious size difference. This is my old shades, let's see. It's only about 31 grams. I wore this one for hours before, very comfortable. Compared to the BleeqUp Ranger, wow, 50.4 grams. But surprisingly, after wearing this for a few rides, I only realized that it's there in my head only at the 1.5 hours mark. So, pretty comfortable. Now, let's test out the feature I was looking forward to the most, the onboard photo and video function. To take a photo, I just have to click this capture button right here once. And to take a video, I just have to press and hold for about 2 seconds. This is so good for filming and cycling because if I were to operate my main camera, I'll need one hand. And I mean, I can cycle with one hand, but it's not worth the risk. What if I fall and hurt myself and damage my gear? Of course, you might also be wondering, how about just use a GoPro? What's the difference? Well, for one, the GoPro isn't as easily wearable on your head like a pair of shades. But I hear you, how does the image quality fare against each other? Let's test it out. In fact, I want to challenge you guys. I'm gonna show the clips of me riding side by side. See if you can tell the difference between the BleeqUp and the GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero 10 Black. And before I forget, to start your city cycling adventure, just get one of these ride-sharing bike. There's a lot of them under the MBS tower over there. For a full guide on how to rent one of these, check out this other video guide over here later. For now, let's see how keen your eyes are. So, how many did you get right? Now, capturing clips is only half the battle won. Managing all of that footage afterwards, that's the real headache. That's where my favorite BleeqUp feature comes in. All your captured media will be stored in the shades. No cables, no fumbling with SD cards required. To retrieve them, you just gotta open the BleeqUp app, pair your shades, and everything can be downloaded straight into your phone. However, one downside about this is you might be spending a lot of time in this screen transferring files to your phone. But here's a catch. Nobody wants to scrub through hours of raw footage just to find that one perfect moment. Lucky for you, that's exactly what the highlight feature solves. Let's say you're out on a ride recording with your BleeqUp Ranger, when suddenly you saw a very cute dog that you want to remember. Just tap this button on the right side to mark this beautiful moment. You don't have to stop recording, just keep going. When you're reviewing your videos on the app, you'll be able to clearly see the marks that you have made on the full clip. But here's the kicker. Click this tab called the manual mark, and ba-bam! You'll be presented with the video clips cut from your manually marked highlights. After using this for some time, I realized the importance of manual highlights even more. Because if you take high-res clips, the file size are actually still quite significant, resulting in longer download time. So if you took a 10-minute video without marking, you will have to download the whole 10 minutes. For casual use case, I think BleeqUp is very easy and convenient. But for my usual YouTube production use case, I will probably need the feature of using SD card for data transfer. Now, what if you just want to go out, press one button, but still get a nice video clip at the end of the day? No problem. Just let BleeqUp Ranger record your ride, then the AI highlights will take care of the rest. When you're done, go to the activities in your app, click AI creation, and create AI clips. Usually, they'll already have some generated for you. But if those aren't to your liking, simply generate more. And that's it. You have a ready-to-share highlight reel all in under a minute. Though, so far from whatever I've generated, the clips feel kinda random. I feel that they can easily make this even more exciting by including more clips with action or scenic view. Anyway, this is not the AI feature that blew my mind. The real banger is the AI Master Motion feature. The biggest problem with having your camera stuck to your noggin is that you can only capture your POV shot. But with the AI Master Motion feature, you can actually capture both what's ahead and around you, giving you this shot that looks like you have a drone following you from behind. Let me show you. So, after recording an activity with the BleeqUp app, you just have to go into the AI creation, pick an angle that you want to generate, submit a clear photo of yourself and your ride, and ta-da! The BleeqUp AI will do the rest. It will actually transform your POV clips into all these cool angles to spice up your ride summary. It's quite funny. I generated one right outside of the MBS. The AI added roads where there isn't any. And now I'm wearing a sling bag instead of a backpack. But to be fair, the photo that they request is only front-facing, so it doesn't know that I'm wearing a backpack. Last but not least, these shades can play music. Tap on your right to play volume control by sliding front and back, double tap for next song, triple tap for previous song. I like that the tapping and the sliding is really smooth, but I find that the double tap and the triple tap is a bit tricky. Honestly, the audio quality is not top-notch. But thanks to their quad speaker system and onboard noise reduction, the sound quality is surprisingly consistent amidst the wind and road noises. Let me show you. This is the audio without wind reduction. And this is the audio with wind reduction. What do you think? They said that this can withstand up to 40 km per hour wind. Also, I love that the audio system is open ear. This way, I can still hear the traffic and the surroundings while I'm on the road. Much safer and more responsible than wearing noise-cancelling earpieces or headphones. Aha! You can also use this to answer calls on the go or reject. Just tap twice on your temple to answer a call or end the call, or tap and hold to decline. Another nifty feature that I did not expect that I would like is the walkie-talkie. Imagine riding together with your friends and you want to talk to your buddy, but it's not possible because he's way behind and the wind and road noises are just too noisy. With BleeqUp Ranger, you can start a walkie-talkie session that your buddies can join in for the whole group to communicate with each other. Alright, check this out.
Adventure 1 to Adventure 2, could you hear me? Hello there.
I imagine this will be quite fun to bring on a big group ride. Or maybe it will be too chaotic. So, this is BleeqUp Ranger AI Sports Shades. They actually sell this in Decathlon in Singapore. It's a steep price tag at about 500 bucks, but if you like the convenience of tracking your outdoor activities, capturing the moments along the way, all in one convenient device, the BleeqUp Ranger is something that you can consider. Now, let's continue our cycling tour and catch more sights.